Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crispy chicken wing in the air fryer with a honey buffalo lemon pepper sauce. So I'm just pat drying my wings first. Now I've placed my wings in a bowl. I'm going to go ahead and season my wings. Now I'm just going to mix in that seasoning very well, and we're just going to cover and let it marinate for like 20-30 minutes. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add some flour. And then I'm going to add in a little cornstarch. I'm going to mix that together really well. And then I'm going to season my flour. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box. And you want to whisk that in very well. I use a fork or you can use a whisk to help break down the seasoning into the flour and cornstarch. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my wings. I'm going to start off with like 4 or 5 and toss that into the flour very good. Push it in. Shake off all the excess flour really well. I set my chicken wings on the rack. I'm just going to spray my air fryer with a little bit of non-stick spray. I'm going to place my chicken wings in the air fryer. Don't overcrowd your air fryer. That's the key to crispy wings. So we're going to start with at least 5. I'm going to cook this on 400 for 17 minutes, and we're going to flip one time in between. And if you feel like you need your wings a little bit more crispier, then just add them at least 2 minutes at a time. Make sure to spray non-stick cooking spray on your chicken halfway through. Now for my sauce, I just have some buffalo sauce. I also have honey and a sprinkle of lemon pepper seasoning, and I also will have lemon pepper seasoning towards the end. So I'm placing my wings in there for about 2 more minutes. So my sauce came to a boil. I have my heat on about a medium-high heat, and then I'm going to reduce it to let it cool and then turn it off. Look how crispy that wing is. Oh my gosh. Super juicy, that's the key. You want it very juicy and crispy at the same time. Plus, it's semi-healthy. If you want it more healthy, just use almond flour or brown flour. So now I'm just adding my sauce to my chicken. Mix it very well. You want to eat these while they're fresh and hot. If you decide to make these, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story.